How to use the Scantron sheet during periodical exams.
At the SW College of Nursing, we use Scantron sheets during your periodical exams to help you get accustomed to the process you will encounter when you take the licensure board examination for nurses. The Professional Regulation Commission (PRC) in the Philippines uses Scantron machines to check your answers during the board exam, so it's important to become familiar with this method early on. Scantron machines are highly accurate in reading and scoring your answers. Because of this accuracy, we do not entertain requests for manual rechecking of your exams, just as the PRC does not entertain such requests during the licensure exam. This process ensures fairness and consistency for all students. By practicing with Scantron sheets now, you will be more confident and comfortable when the time comes for your board exams. The 50 items Scantron sheet is used during our IS-029 Human Anatomy and Physiology with Pathophysiology laboratory periodical examination. This is also used during a mastery exam, summative exam, or any quizzes with 50 items examination. This is the 200 items Scantron sheet. For the HES-029 Human Anatomy and Physiology with Pathophysiology lecture periodical examination, a 200 item Scantron sheet will be used, but we will only be utilizing the first half, corresponding to items 1 to 100. The front sheet compose the college, section, and professor or lecturer. Next is last name, first name, and middle initial. On the right corner is the set A, B, or C. On the right bottom is your student number and the examination date. 200 items Scantron sheet back is composed of the examination answer sheet. This contains the subject title. It also contains the letter choices box, 200 item. Reminders during major exams. Bring your Mongol 2 pencils, black ball pen, eraser, and sharpener. Bring a hard copy of your examination permits. All things, bags, books, SAS, phones, etc. must be placed in front or at a designated area. Wear your complete and proper uniform at all times. Type A. Violation of uniform regulation must submit an EL. School uniforms should be white, clean, and black shoes. Shoes should be clean, black, and in good condition. Male black shoes and white socks and female black shoes. Hair should be kept tidy, female wear hairnet, male short/trim hair, and not touching the collar. Fingernails should be cut short and kept clean. Colored nail polish is not allowed. Colored hair is not allowed. Jewelries are not allowed. Wearing of watch is not allowed. Proctors will be the timekeepers. No using of cell phones during exams. Turn phones on silent mode. Scantron answer sheets will be utilized in every major examination. Black ball pen black must be used for writing, and use a Mongol 2 pencil when shading the answer sheet, must be darkly shaded. Proper decorum must be observed at all times. Any form of cheating is strictly prohibited. Cheating is absolutely forbidden in any examination. Those caught cheating will be given a 0 score immediately. If you have any questions, raise your hand and wait for the teacher to approach and acknowledge you. Avoid going to the comfort rooms while the exam is going on. Do your restroom necessities before the exam. Continuous answering of the exam after the announcement by the proctor that the time is up constitutes demerits in the exam. Loitering, talking, or discussing the test questions and/or answers inside or near the exam room, which tend to distract or disturb the conduct of the exam, is prohibited.